Morning guys, September 16, 2021. This one I got a call from a lady. I guess I've worked for her before. She had an old sub pump down there or something that let go and the house flooded in the basement. So she wants me to go put another sub pump in down there, and calling me over the phone, and she's on a fixed income, and I gave her a quote, you know, more or less what it's gonna be. Hour and a half labor or whatever it is, and with a pump, and I don't know what she's got there. I think she might have a flexible line from what she's saying. It's a temporary thing. It doesn't flood all the time. I think it floods once in a while when they get a real heavy flood, rainfall. Like we had a couple of hurricanes come through with a lot of rain, and I'll have to go look at it. But anyway, we're gonna go over there. We're gonna go by and pick up a sub pump, and at least I'll have one to put in over there. We'll see what's going on and see if we can put some adapters, hook up to a pipe that's there. I didn't give her any price on changing out any of the piping. It's just the pump. So I don't even know what's there. So we're gonna go by. I'm gonna go by and get a pump and see if we can get this thing to work for her. From what she's saying, it doesn't happen all the time. It's just like a temporary backup once in a while. If the flood starts backing up or the city's backing up, it could have been that the sewer backed up. I don't know. The town I'm going is a sewer and storm drain combination. So it might have been had some live eels floating in their basement. I don't know. She said it's pretty smelly down there, so we're gonna go by and pick up a couple of pumps, and we'll go by and see if we could help her out. Never a dull moment, Miss Molly. Never a dull moment, Miss Molly. Oh. Yeah, I know it's never a dull moment. You're gonna have to put on your boots. You're gonna have to go down in there with me with the boots, Miss Molly. Telling me on the phone she's on a fixed income, she ain't got the money, she don't want a cheap pump, but she don't want an expensive pump, on and on and on. It's like, lady, I don't know what to tell you. You want me to do the job or not? So I call her back with a rough estimate on this thing. I know maybe I shot myself in the flipping foot here. Probably got more money than me, and she's complaining about it. You know these rich people, Molly. They ain't got no money. They ain't got no money. They're the ones with all the money. Alright, we open this door here. Let's go take a look. I got a feeling the sewer backed up. Oh, I can smell it. See, that's hooked up to the sewer. That's what happened. So I bet you that's what happened here. The sub pump's here. It was tied into the sewer. The sub pump's tied into the sewer right there. Yeehaw! That's gonna come out. Yeah, that's something. I'm gonna put a new one on there. This plug and pump. I got this pump unplugged. She's a leaker, Mama. She's a leaker. She's a leaker. She's a leaker. See if I can get that off of there, maybe. Everything's just crusty. I don't know. I don't think so. Was it groundwater or was it sewage that was in here? Was it sewage in here or was it groundwater?
Power washer.
Huh?
The power washer came and cleaned my house and that whole night was flooding the cellar.
So it was the power washer that did it? The guy that did the power washing?
Yeah.
Okay, so it wasn't the sewer backing up.
No.
I thought it might have been the sewage.
No.
Did you call him and...
No.
You didn't call him and he told him what happened?
Well, good for me. He's not going to give me the money it's going to cost me.
He what?
He's not going to pay me for the expenses of all the damage.
He's going to pay you for the damage?
No, he's not going to pay me for the damage. Why should I?
He what?
I said I would be nuts if I called him to come back again.
Well, he didn't know what was going on in the basement, I guess. I don't know.
He had it on too strong, I guess. It came running down the walls over there by the washing machine and everything.
Holy shit, was it really that bad, huh?
Yeah, it was really that bad. I got the water streaks to prove it.
I'm gonna put a brand new... That pump was kind of squealing. Did you hear it squealing down here?
No.
It wasn't working at all. Because when I came here, I tried to turn it on.
Yeah.
And it was just kind of giving it the old squeal treatment. You know what that is, right?
No.
You don't know what the old squeal treatment is?
No.
It wasn't sounding too kosher, put it that way.
It was working. It just, I could hear it even because my bedroom is sort of on this end over it. And I could hear it.
You could hear it making noise?
No, when it was working good.
You could hear it when it was working good.
A nice hum, yeah.
Yeah, nice hum. You could tell when it was working good.
I even checked it, and there was nothing wrong with the fuse.
Well, you know, it's like anything else. We get old and things don't work like they used to.
You still with your puppy?
I do, yeah.
Is she still in the truck?
She's in there, yeah.
I hope she doesn't have a sweater on today.
No sweater on today. It's too hot. It's too cold. Too hot for that right now. Once it gets colder, I'll put a sweater on her. Not right now. So I'm just gonna replace this pump. We'll plug it back in. Now it only works when you get a really high rain, right? It doesn't work all the time, correct?
No, right. And you said that this old one was too tall to begin with?
Well, this one's gonna be better. This one's gonna go down inside the pit. I might have to put an extension on the wire because I don't think it's gonna reach.
this one to put in there. It was all that he could get. He said they didn't have any. Out of stock or some crazy story. Poor guy.
What is it?
3rd year anniversary of him being gone is this month.
What's that?
Roy.
Roy who?
My husband?
Oh, okay. I don't think it's gonna reach. Reach on here. Maybe. Look at that shit.
There's some slack.
Huh? I think that's the doorbell.
The doorbell?
I think that's what this is. Flipping doorbell. I think that's the doorbell. It's gotta be.
Well, we can't get rid of that.
No. Alright, should work now. And you're putting me to work here today.
I am?
Let's see if it works. Yeah, see, you got the storage in here. If the sewer backs up, this thing ain't gonna work, you know. If the sewer backs up, this is just for groundwater.
Well, up until now, the sewer has never backed up.
You sure?
I'm sure. And the water that came in the cellar definitely was not from sewer water.
Okay. I'm just hooking it up the other way the other one was, right into that pipe. That other one was definitely a problem, because when I came here, that thing was squealing. I plugged it in and I lifted it, it was squealing. Alright, so that's just gonna do, that was just from the guy that did the,
Yeah, the water's still in that little, right there, that thing down there, your foot. See the water?
Okay? Yeah, okay. So he power washed your house and he flooded the place.
Did.
So all that water from around came in, and this should take the groundwater, and it never did. Alright, well that's it. I'll get rid of that. You want that pump?
No.
I can get rid of it, I guess. Alright.